Hi guys, how are you? In this video, we are going to see how we can separate different content from one column into several using the split function. Look, I'm going to show you this specific case. I have exported all the categories from my website and they have all been exported into a single column. So what I want is to have each of the categories in different columns to be able to work easily. They have been exported to me, if you notice, each one of them with a vertical bar, as you can see here. So what I want to do is separate them into different columns using that vertical line as a separator. It's going to be very simple. How are we going to do it? Well, I stand next to the cell where I want to extract it. I type equals split, which will allow me to separate. Plus, we have a wonderful help here that will indicate what I need to do. I click, and now it asks me which text I want to delimit. So I highlight this cell, now I add a semicolon, and then I add the character I want to separate. I will put it in quotes. In my case, I will use the /. There you need to pay attention to what your separator is, which could be a period, comma, or in this case, my slash. And I close the parentheses and look, if the magic works, they appear here. What would I do now? Well, I simply drag down to all the ones I have and see how easily they have been separated. Also, since we're at it, although we just saw it in a previous video, notice that not all the content is visible. Instead of going one column at a time, I simply select everything and choose the size I want, and they will all split as you can see. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video. Goodbye.